Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $175 per day watching YouTube videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my video and helps out this channel. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on in the comment sections below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And also drop a comment if you have anything you want to ask me about what I'm talking about today. Now, I don't want to waste any more time. Let me go ahead and get into this right now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you can understand the whole process of this method. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $175 per day watching YouTube videos. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called TimeBucks. So this is the website you're going to sign up with and you're going to start earning money watching YouTube videos. Now they have other things you can do on this website to earn money. So you can get paid to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete captures, post on Instagram, and answer surveys. If you could just click on here and it'll show you how everything works, but I'm going to show you because I have an account. So I'm going to go into my account and show you how this works. Now we're just going to read a couple more things before I go into the account. So it's free to sign up and you can sign up with Facebook. So here are some of the features this website has. So you get daily bonuses. Each day you can run a competition where the top 5 earners win a nice bonus. Start earning instantly. No approval process required for new signups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. Referral program. We have a referral program so you can earn commission on everyone you refer and any advertising deposits they make. And weekly payouts. We pay everyone weekly with 5 different payment methods. And they just talk about how friendly their staff are, and if you have any questions, you can get in contact with them. It's very easy to get a hold of them. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be making this money watching YouTube videos. Okay, I'm in my account. So once you sign up, this page is going to pop up, and what you're going to do is go where it says earn, and you're going to look for videos. So you click right there where it says videos, and it's going to take you to this page. Now you're going to be watching videos on this website called hideout.tv, and let me go ahead and read the instructions. So get paid for every 3 video ads that show before each video. TimeBucks pays 10% higher for this offer than any other site in the world. Important. In order to receive your credit, you must click the sign up button on hideout.tv. Then after you sign in, choose Time Bucks as your reward partner. Then click the withdraw button. If you don't sign up and withdraw, you won't receive credit. Now this one, all of them basically pay like 11 cents, something like that, as far as the payout. So let's just look at it. Click right here where it says watch. Okay, and it's going to take you here. And as you see, is an ad going to pop up on this video. And let me let you know that these videos are YouTube videos and different videos from other sites. So you can come here, people come here and put their videos on here so they can get some views. And you're going to be getting paid to watch these videos. So an ad pops up first, and then the video pops up. Sorry, sometimes it takes a little long. My internet is running a little bit slow. But other thing you can do, you can subscribe and you get points. And you click on here, you can share and get points. And you can leave a comment and you get points. So the more things you do on here, the more points. Sorry about this. So more things you do, the more points you can accumulate, and the more money you can make. Now let me show you something right quick. Now again, like the instruction said, once you get here, you got to sign up with Hideout TV, which I already did. And you're going to click over here where it says Loyalty Program Rewards. And as you can see, the linked accounts, Time Bucks. My Time Bucks linked account is linked to this website. So you can start redeeming points right here if you wanted to. So that's my balance right there. And let me go back over here to Time Bucks. And as you can see, into my wallet. I just started this process. I haven't been looking at that many videos, but the videos I have made, I already made $1 or something. Only took me a few minutes to watch some ads. So I can go ahead and withdraw that if I want to right now. So basically this is how it works. And it does pay out through PayPal and also gift cards. So if you're interested in making some money watching videos, watching YouTube videos, go to timebucks.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start earning $175 per day watching YouTube videos. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes. It really helps out my channel if I can get 50 likes or more. So please hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below if you have any questions you want to ask about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, Thanks again for your support. We're almost to 3,000. We're almost to 3,000 subscribers. Keep sharing and keep hitting that like button. We're going to make it there because I'm ready to give away this money, guys. I'm ready. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.